Hello everyone, welcome to Swagger Swoon. My name's George and I'm going to show you how to tie a café knot in your tie. Now we've got this really lovely burgundy tie here, picks out the burgundy in the suit really nicely. And this tie is actually a really easy way of making sure you have your front piece of your tie at the right length before you get started. So make sure you're happy with the length of that one because you tie the rest of the knot using the thinner end. So that's a really nice way just to make sure you have that perfect tie length there. Also, you probably want to do a little pleat just like this where your knot's going to be tied. That just helps your knot not to be too bulky, just there like that. So you want to wrap your thinner end over like this one and then out the other side like this. You then want to come up and down the middle until you're coming back out the other way there, and you can see we're starting to get that triangle shape there. You then want to wrap this one over the front before going back up the middle like so, and then come down to one side, around the back, and then back up the top here. Now if you lift up your knot, you'll see we've just created a loop at the back here, so that one you've just brought up to the top can then come back down through that loop like so, and then you can just adjust until you're happy with that one. Like so, before tucking your tie end down in and folding your collar down. Like that.